large hail through 10 p.m. This message is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued this as a test message. This is a test message. This is a test tornado warning message. There is no severe weather occurring at this time. This test warning message is part of the annual Kentucky tornado drill. If this were an actual severe weather event, you would be given information about the hazard. The National Weather Service, Kentucky Emergency Management Agency, and the Kentucky Weather Preparedness Committee encourages the use of this time to activate and review your severe weather safety plans. This has been a test tornado warning message for the Kentucky tornado drill. This concludes the test.